Hey guys, is it possible to clear your progress or reset your progress in Asphalt 9? Well, not directly. So, you cannot directly change your progress or reset your progress through the Asphalt 9 game. But what you can do is, on Android, you can follow these simple steps. So, let's get straight to it. First up, on your Android phone, just simply search up for your Asphalt 9 icon. So, for me, here is just simply hold it until you can see this icon right here, which opens the app settings. Now once the app settings are opened, you should see various information about your game right here, which includes storage, permissions, and etc. Now what you need to search for is on the bottom right side. You can see something known as clear data. So simply press on it and then select clear all data. So what it does is it's clear out all your data, and then your progress, if not saved, will be deleted as well. So if you have already linked it to your account, then you will be logged out and you can just simply play it again with another account and stuff. And that's it. That's how you log out of Asphalt as well. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.